This kid definitely caught his parents lacking, and he's not afraid to expose them. He knows exactly what he heard.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking
No.
about. I'll be happy.
Who be having it?
Oh!
That might be the movie we be watching sometimes.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't have a TV.
We can watch TV on my computer though.
No.
What you hear?
What I really hear, I've been looking at it.
Listening to what?
The parents are cooked. Subscribe if you know that sound.